Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi and Assistant Professor in RPIIT Pharmacy. In this video, I will discuss about the second generation H1 receptor antagonist, that is antihistaminic drugs, which are used to treat allergy and itching and other skin conditions. So second generation H1 receptor antagonists are much more effective for the peripheral H1 receptor involved in the allergy opposed to the H1 receptor in the CNS. Therefore, these drugs provide the same relief with many fewer. The structure of these drugs varies and there are no common structure features associated with them. They are higher or bulky and less lipophilic than the first generation drugs. They are also told that these drugs also have anti-inflammatory activity and therefore would be helpful in management of inflammation and allergic airway disease. The second generation H1 receptor antagonists are acribastine, estimizole. These drugs relieve itchy rashes and hives and it is non-sedative because it does not cross the blood-brain barrier. Estimizole has a long duration of action. It suppresses the formation of edema and pruritus. It does not cross the blood-brain. It has been taken off the market in most countries because of adverse infection. Another is loratadine, terfenadine. Loratadine is the class of drug available over the counter. It has long-lasting effect and does not cause drowsiness because it does not cross the blood-brain barrier. It was formerly used to treat allergic condition. It was even from market due to increase cardiac arrhythmias. Azlacystine and levocetirizine and olopatadine. It is a mast cell stabilizer. Azlacystine and available as nasal spray, while olopatadine, both of these drugs are used as eye drops. Third generation H1 receptor is the levocetirizine drugs. These are drugs derived from second generation antihistamine. They are highly enantiomer metabolites of second generation. It is very active in enantiomer receptor gene and is believed to be more effective and have a few adverse side effects. It is not metabolized and likely to be safer than other drugs. It does not cross the blood-brain barrier and is shown to reduce asthma attack by 70% in children. Fixofenadine, Allegra, and deslorotadine is also another third generation receptor. It is active like loratadine, even though it is more effective and no concrete evidence to prove this. It was developed as an alternative to terfenadine. The future of antihistamine, the anti-inflammatory activity antihistamines about which little is known, will continue research and possibly lead to an effective alternate corticosteroid in the treatment of allergic airway conditions. The action of H4 receptor will also be continued to search and will possibly lead to effective treatment of autoimmune disease. Creating antihistamine with higher selectivity and less adverse side effect will continue to be the goal. So these are the future generation drugs of antihistamine. Thank you.